Welcome to the N-Skills Welding and Fabrication Training Program. We cannot overemphasize the importance of welding and fabrication. From cars to planes and bridges to buildings, welding is an essential part of many industries and is important to our everyday life. In this program, you will learn fabrication and welding applications, health and safety in the work environment, and the practical skills needed for fabrication work. As was stated in the previous video, the N-Skills program is a component of the N-Power program implemented by the Federal Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management, and Social Development. This program is designed to equip you with needed knowledge and practical skills to become a master in the welding and fabrication trade. To make this program simple and easy to follow, the program is divided into 11 units. Each of these units is divided into sections. Each section has an introduction and contains the skills you will learn. Now, let's look at what each unit entails. Unit 1 is about health and safety as it concerns metal and fabrication, where you will learn safety regulations and guidelines and emergency procedures in the workspace. Unit 2 focuses on communication, where you can pass information effectively using symbols, signs, and codes. You will also learn verbal and non-verbal means of communication with co-workers, clients, or customers. Unit 3 is about teamwork. This unit teaches you to develop positive working relationships with field experts, take responsibilities within the team, and comply with the policy and regulations of the organization. Unit 4 is about necessary regulations and safety requirements in welding and fabrication. At the end of this unit, you will be able to identify and properly wear the personal protective equipment, know how to act during accidents and emergencies, control hazards, and to use correct lifting and carrying techniques for safety in the work environment. Unit 5 will teach you general fabrication and welding applications, where you learn welding procedure specifications, appropriate tools, equipment, techniques, handling with difficult situations while working safely at all times, complying with health and safety. Unit 6 is about marking out various components for metal work. This unit involves methods of marking out surfaces, preparing suitable datums, marking out in compliance with specification, and handling arising issues professionally. All of this while maintaining safety rules and regulations. Unit 7 will give you practical knowledge on producing fillet welded joints using manual welding process. There are different sections to this unit where you will learn various subjects such as edge preparation, joining related equipment and consumables, appropriate thermal joining technique, among others. Unit 8 focuses on assembling components using mechanical fasteners. This unit teaches you to assemble drawings and any other specifications, assembly methods and techniques, securing the components using the specified connectors, and securing devices. Unit 9 centers on bending and forming operations, where you will learn correct methods of moving or lifting sheet or plate materials, identifying the safe working practices and procedures required for operating bending machines, and knowing the correct equipment for bending and forming operations. Unit 10 focuses on cutting and shaping materials using thermal cutting. Here, you will learn bending and forming operations, safe machine operations and control, components production according to required specifications, among others. The final unit is about cutting materials. In this unit, you will gain understanding on machine setup, cutting techniques using saws and abrasive discs, while also gaining effective problem-solving skills. At the end of every unit, you will learn to work safely at all times, complying with health and safety and other relevant regulations and guidelines. Now that you have an understanding of the content of the training program, hear from an expert in welding and fabrication who has made a fortune from it.
I'm Salau, and this is Salau Welding Workshop. We are into welding and fabrication. We produce doors, gates, stanchion tanks, any form of welding work at all. We specialize in all kinds of welding work. I will tell them welding and fabrication is a good mind. Just like as I have my boys, I'm already training, that they should learn welding and fabrication, because there are a lot of jobs outside there, a lot of jobs that even other nationalities, they are giving it out to other nationalities. So that if they can learn, they don't need to look for a job. The job is already outside there, waiting for them.
There you have it. The N-Skills program enables you to gain the relevant skills to perfect the welding and fabrication craft, and to do that from a business perspective. At any point during the program, you can ask your instructors or supervisors for assistance if you are unsure about a particular subject. N-Skills is here to ensure you gain lifelong skills to become problem solvers in society. Good luck on your program.